So the domain of a function is the set of values that we can plug as x in that function. Some terms are not defined. For example, 2/0 is not defined. Dividing by 0 is mathematically not defined. Also, the square root of a negative number is not a real number. So in real functions, it is not defined. Our first rule will be that if we have a term in the denominator of a function, then this term must be not 0. For example, if f of x is, say, 2x over x minus 1, then its domain is all the x's that are not 1. So it's x minus 1 should not be 0. So x should not be 1. Our answer will be x is either greater than 1 or smaller than 1. This is our answer. This is the domain of this function. A second rule will be that if we have a term in a square root, then this term must be greater or equal to 0. For example, if our fx is x minus 1 square root, then the domain will be all the x's such that x minus 1 is greater or equal to 0. So we will get x should be greater or equal to 1. So what happens if we have a term which is in the denominator and inside a square root? Then this term should be greater or equal to 0, but not 0. So it's strictly greater than 0. If our f of x is, let's say, 2x squared plus 1 over x minus 1 square root, then x minus 1, this term, should be strictly greater than 0. X must be greater than 1.